Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I'll explain how to use texture paint. Let's begin! Let's start! First, make sure the object has a UV map. Change the workspace to texture paint. In the texture paint mode, the screen on the left is the image editor, and the screen on the right is the 3D viewport. First, let's take a look at the image editor. Image editor can be displayed from here. When performing texture painting, set the mode to paint. From View, check Tool Settings. If you check Tool Settings in Paint mode, the brush setting items will be displayed at the top. Next, let's take a look at the texture paint mode of the 3D viewport. Select Texture Paint from the mode switch. If you check Tool Settings, the brush settings will be displayed at the top. Now let's add textures for painting. Select this tab from Properties. Add a texture to a texture slot. Select Base Color. Enter a name and click OK. When adding a texture, the image texture mode will be added like this, and the texture will be applied to the object. Let's actually paint on the texture. You can select a brush from Tool Shelf. First, select Draw. Click here to set the brush. You can set the color and line thickness. You can paint by dragging like this. The paint is also displayed in the image editor. Try painting with a brush radius of 50 pixels. The line is thicker than before. With Smear, the color of the dragged part is stretched to make it look like it's bleeding. With Clone, allows you to create a clone at the drag position. Fill allows you to fill the color. I'll set the mask so I do not accidentally paint from above on the painted part. First, to create a mask, select this tab from Properties. From Masking, check Stencil Mask. Click New. Enter a name and click OK. Let's mask it. Select Mask tool. By dragging, you can set the mask like this. Even if you fill it in red with fill, the masked part will not be overwritten. The texture needs to be saved. If you do not save the texture data will be lost when you exit Blender. Click Save All Images in Texture Slots to save the painted image. This is the end of the lecture on how to use texture paint. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.